Hey guys, just a quick message on another trap that I so often see. And this is this notion of, call it the new age, the spiritual, the awakening community, to be surrounding yourself just with people on your vibe. Whilst it is helpful and it's true that your environment is really rubbing off on you, that you become your environment, when you have the fixed notion that something has to be just so, then you're actually, instead of going into unity, Christ consciousness, you're actually just playing into more polarity. It's when you can actually look at something which is totally not you, which is totally, even some things you don't agree with, when you can look at it without being triggered. It doesn't mean you have to engage. It doesn't even mean you have to play with it. It doesn't mean you have to even agree with it or that you don't have your truth. It just means you can see it. You don't have to have something just so. And then you can go out and, grab your tribe. But we've been so conditioned that, it's just people, it's just my tribe. You're actually excluding yourself from, first of all, sometimes beautiful lessons in your triggers, in perceptions that you may not have noticed. And you know what? As we grow in as we evolve spiritually, everything is still polarity. It's when the polarity doesn't affect us that we're in true unity. So I just wanted to speak to that. I just wanted to really bring this thing that, hey, it's not my vibe, I don't go there. And there's a very slight difference in choosing to engage. I myself, a lot of the things that the truther community says, and a lot of the things that, a lot of spiritual people, all of those kind of people that are my people, a lot of the things that are being said, I'm yawning at this stage because it's like, okay, enough already. And then I have to look at my own trigger. I don't have to engage with it. If I can just look past it and say, well, okay, you go on about this chess game. Hey, I've got bigger fish to fry. But I don't have to exclude that. I don't have to bring in the vibration that, whoo, just be careful. Just, it's not on my wavelengths. Once you can see everything, once you can see that which you think is not you, then you get the real mirror. Then you know that the trigger, it's always coming back to triggers, and it's always coming back to absolutes. So I just wanted to share that, and I just wanted to also hear your thoughts on this kind of thing. It's such a vast subject, and it's a seesaw. It's constantly a seesaw, and that's actually the healing, when we realize it's a seesaw, when we realize it's duality, and we can play in that without getting sucked into it or without making it just so. So if you resonate with this, please give it a like on YouTube. It really helps me. It's that feedback loop of energy and gratitude as well. But if not, just, hey, enjoy, and see you on the other side. Goodbye.